Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel.
Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to have you here with us.
Dave, can I ask you something?
Of course. Why do you sound so serious?
Because this is a very important question.
Uh-oh. Should I be worried?
Maybe just a little.
All right. Go ahead.
If someone gave you $1 billion today, but you could never eat pizza again, would you take the money?
What? That's impossible.
Why?
Because you're asking me to choose between money and pizza.
Exactly.
Can I negotiate?
No.
Then I'll need a few days to think.
Only a few days?
Okay. Maybe a few years.
You're unbelievable.
Pizza is important.
I can already tell today's conversation is going to be interesting.
I think so too.
Actually, today's topic is something many people think about.
Really?
Yes, today's question is, would you rather be rich or happy?
Wow. That's a difficult question.
It really is.
Can I choose both?
I knew you were going to say that.
Why choose one if I can have both?
Because that's not the game.
That's not fair.
Life isn't always fair.
Good point.
So, rich or happy?
Honestly, when I was younger, I would have said rich.
Really?
Absolutely. I thought money could solve every problem.
Did you really believe that?
Yeah. I imagined having a huge house, a fancy car, expensive clothes, and maybe 10 pizzas every weekend.
Of course you mentioned pizza again.
I'm staying consistent.
I appreciate that.
What about you? When you were younger, what did you choose?
I think I would have chosen rich too.
Really? I'm surprised.
When we're young, we often think money can buy happiness.
Exactly.
But now, I'm not so sure.
Me neither. Life has taught me a few things.
Like what?
I've met people with a lot of money. Some of them looked very unhappy.
I've seen that too.
And I've met people with simple lives who smiled all the time.
That's true.
It made me think, maybe money isn't the whole story.
That makes sense.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What does happiness actually mean to you?
That's a good question. For me, happiness means waking up without feeling stressed.
I like that answer.
Having time for family, talking with good friends, enjoying simple food, watching the sunset.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. What about you?
For me, happiness is coming home from work, taking off my shoes, and knowing tomorrow is the weekend.
I knew weekends would be part of your answer.
Weekends make life better.
You really love weekends.
Very much.
Do you think money makes weekends better?
Sometimes, but not always.
Really? Why do you think that?
Because some of my happiest weekends were very simple.
Like what?
Staying home, watching a movie, cooking with my family, talking with friends. Those memories didn't cost much.
That's beautiful.
What about you? Can you remember a moment when you felt truly happy?
Yes, actually. One of my happiest memories wasn't expensive at all.
Really? Tell me.
It was a quiet evening. My family was together. We laughed, we ate dinner. Nobody was looking at their phone.
That sounds wonderful.
It felt warm, comfortable, peaceful.
Maybe that's real wealth.
What do you mean?
Maybe being rich isn't only about money. Maybe it's about having people who care about you.
Wow, that's a beautiful thought.
Thank you. I think today's conversation is going to make me think a lot.
Me too, and I can't wait to hear more of your stories.
Just don't ask me to give up pizza again.
No promises. Dave, can I ask you something a little personal?
Of course. Go ahead.
Has money ever made you happier?
That's an interesting question. I think the answer is sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yeah. Money has solved some problems in my life, but it hasn't solved all of them.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I remember my very first full-time job.
How old were you?
I was in my early 20s. I was so excited when I got my first paycheck.
I remember that feeling too.
I looked at my bank account about 20 times that day.
Seriously?
Yes. I wanted to make sure the money was really there.
That's funny. What did you buy?
Nothing expensive. I bought dinner for my family.
Really?
Yeah. It wasn't a fancy restaurant, just a simple place we all liked.
How did you feel?
Honestly, that dinner made me happier than buying something for myself.
That's a lovely memory.
I still remember my parents smiling. That moment stayed with me.
Sometimes memories are worth more than money.
I couldn't agree more.
What about after that? Did you keep spending your money wisely?
Not exactly.
Oh? What happened?
A few months later, I bought something I didn't need.
Really? What was it?
A very expensive pair of shoes.
Were they comfortable?
Not at all.
Seriously?
They looked amazing. But after 1 hour, my feet were begging for help.
So you spent a lot of money to be uncomfortable.
Exactly. It wasn't my smartest decision.
Did you learn anything from that?
Absolutely. Just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's better.
That's a great lesson.
What about you? Have you ever wasted money?
Oh yes, more than once.
Now I'm curious.
A few years ago, I bought a very expensive bag.
Because you loved it?
Honestly, because everyone else had one.
Ah, peer pressure.
Exactly.
Did it make you happy?
Only for about 2 days.
Only 2?
Maybe 3. Then it became just another bag.
That's interesting.
I realized I wasn't buying it for myself. I was buying it to impress other people.
I think many people do that.
Including me.
I've done the same thing.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes we confuse want with need.
That's so true.
Nowadays, before I buy something, I ask myself one question.
What question?
Will this make my life better? Or do I just want it today?
I like that. It's a simple question.
And it saves me money.
That's a nice bonus.
Can I tell you something funny?
Please do.
Last weekend, I cleaned my room.
That already sounds surprising.
Very funny. While cleaning, I found 3 unopened boxes.
3?
Yes. 3 things I had ordered online.
You forgot about them?
Completely.
That's unbelievable.
I opened one box, and I couldn't even remember why I bought it.
That's both funny and a little scary.
It reminded me that buying things doesn't always make us happier.
Sometimes we enjoy the idea of buying more than the thing itself.
Exactly.
So, if someone offered you $1 million today, but you could never spend time with your family again, would you take it?
Not a chance.
Really?
Money comes and goes. Family doesn't.
That's a powerful answer.
I've learned that the older I get, the more valuable time becomes.
I feel exactly the same way.
Money can buy many things, but it can't buy yesterday.
Wow, that's a beautiful thought.
Thank you. I'm trying to sound wise today.
You're doing a good job.
Don't tell anyone.
It might ruin my reputation.
Your secret is safe with me. Dave, can I ask you another question?
Of course. I think I know what's coming.
Really?
Another difficult question?
You're right.
Go ahead.
Who do you think is richer? A millionaire with no close friends, or an ordinary person with a loving family?
Wow. That's a hard one.
Take your time.
Honestly, I think the second person is richer.
Really? Why?
Because money can make life comfortable, but people make life meaningful.
I love that answer.
Thank you. I've learned that from watching my grandparents.
Tell me about them.
My grandparents didn't have much money. Their house was very small.
Really?
Yeah. Sometimes all of my cousins visited on the same weekend. The house felt tiny.
That sounds crowded.
Very crowded, but also very warm.
I know what you mean.
We all sat together. We shared food. We laughed. Nobody cared that the house was small.
That sounds like a wonderful memory.
It is. Looking back, I never remember what we ate.
Really?
No. I remember the laughter. I remember the conversations. I remember feeling safe.
Those are the memories that stay with us.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have a memory like that?
Yes. When I was a little girl, every Sunday, my whole family had lunch together.
Every Sunday?
Almost every Sunday. After lunch, the adults talked for hours.
What did you do?
My cousins and I played outside. We laughed until the sun went down.
That sounds perfect.
At that time, I thought it was normal.
And now?
Now I realize those days were very special.
It's funny. Children don't know they're making beautiful memories.
That's true. They just enjoy the moment.
Maybe adults should learn from children.
I agree. Children don't worry about money all the time.
They care about today's happiness, not next year's salary.
That's a great point.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
If you suddenly became very rich, would you change?
I hope not.
Why hope?
Because money can change people, sometimes without them noticing.
I think you're right.
I'd like to believe I would stay the same. Kind, grateful, close to my family.
That's important.
What about you?
I would probably buy a bigger house,
I expected that.
maybe travel more, help my parents, help some friends.
That sounds wonderful.
But I'd still want simple weekends.
With pizza?
Of course. Some things should never change.
I knew you would say that.
Can I tell you something funny?
Please.
When I was about 8 years old, I thought rich people ate cake every day.
Really?
Yes, I believed rich families never ate vegetables.
That's hilarious.
One day, I asked my mother, "When we're rich, can we stop eating broccoli?"
What did she say?
She laughed for 5 minutes. Then she said, "Rich people eat vegetables too."
I love that story.
I was so disappointed.
Poor little Dave.
It was a difficult day.
You've changed a lot since then.
Thankfully. Now I know broccoli is good for me.
Do you like it now?
Let's not ask impossible questions.
Fair enough.
You know, the older I get, the more I believe real wealth is having people who love you.
I couldn't agree more.
Money is useful, but love, friendship, family, those things stay in your heart much longer.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you. Sometimes I surprise myself.
I think our listeners are enjoying this version of Dave.
Don't worry, I'll say something silly very soon.
I knew you couldn't stay serious forever. You know, Dave, after today's conversation, I'm not sure I can answer the question so easily.
Really? I thought you had already decided.
I did, at first, but now I think the answer is more complicated.
I agree. When I was younger, I would have chosen money without thinking.
And now?
Now, I think happiness is much harder to find. That's why it's more valuable.
That's an interesting way to look at it.
Money can buy many things: a nice house, a nice car, good food, comfortable clothes.
That's true.
But money can't buy trust. It can't buy real friendship. It can't buy time with the people you love.
I completely agree.
I've learned that the happiest moments in my life weren't expensive.
Really? Which moment comes to your mind first?
Honestly, a family barbecue.
That's simple.
Very simple. The food wasn't perfect, the chairs didn't match, the weather wasn't amazing.
Then why do you remember it?
Because everyone was laughing. Nobody was checking their phone. Nobody was talking about work. For a few hours, life felt peaceful.
That's a beautiful memory.
What about you? What's one moment you'll never forget?
Mine is also very simple.
Tell me.
One evening, my family was sitting outside after dinner. We talked for hours. We laughed about old stories. Nobody was in a hurry.
That sounds wonderful.
Sometimes, the smallest moments become the biggest memories.
I love that.
You know, maybe we've been asking the wrong question today.
Really? What do you mean?
Instead of asking, would you rather be rich or happy, maybe we should ask, what kind of life makes you happy?
Wow. I like that question much more.
Me too, because happiness is different for everyone.
Exactly. For one person, it's traveling the world.
For someone else, it's staying home with family.
Some people dream about success.
Some people dream about peace.
Neither answer is wrong.
That's right.
Can I tell you one last funny story?
Of course, I was waiting for one.
Last month, I found an old wallet in my closet.
Really?
Inside, I found $20.
That's lucky.
For 5 minutes, I felt rich.
Only 5 minutes?
Then I remembered it was my own money.
That's so funny.
My happiness disappeared very quickly.
Poor Dave.
For one beautiful moment, I thought life had changed.
Well, you were rich for 5 minutes.
Exactly. It was a wonderful 5 minutes.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners one question.
Good idea.
If you had to choose, would you rather be rich or happy?
There isn't a perfect answer, only your answer.
We'd love to hear what you think.
Leave a comment below and tell us why.
Your answer might inspire someone else.
And remember, whatever dream you're chasing, don't forget to enjoy today, too.
Because today's small moments can become tomorrow's favorite memories.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
I think this has been one of my favorite conversations.
Mine too.
Although, if I could be happy and have free pizza forever, I wouldn't complain.
Some things never change.
Never. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.